Unreal Engine Product Review. Unreal Engine is a game engine developed by Epic Games that has become a popular choice for game developers and content creators around the world. With its advanced capabilities, comprehensive toolset, and user-friendly interface, Unreal Engine has revolutionized the game development industry and has made it easier than ever for developers to create stunning and immersive games. One of the standout features of Unreal Engine is its advanced capabilities. The engine provides a range of advanced tools and features that make it possible to create complex and detailed game worlds and characters. This includes advanced physics simulations, dynamic lighting, and particle effects. The engine also includes advanced AI systems, which can be used to create realistic and intelligent NPCs. Another benefit of Unreal Engine is its comprehensive toolset. The engine provides a range of tools and features that make it easy to create and edit game assets, including 3D models, textures, and animations. The engine also includes a built-in scripting language, Blueprint, which allows developers to create complex game logic without needing to write code. Additionally, the engine has a range of debugging and profiling tools that make it easy to identify and fix issues in the game. Unreal Engine also has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to navigate and use. The engine has a clean and modern design, with a range of customizable windows, panels, and tools that can be arranged to suit the user's individual needs and preferences. Additionally, the engine has a range of keyboard shortcuts and hotkeys that can save time and streamline the workflow. Another benefit of Unreal Engine is its support for multiple platforms. The engine supports a range of platforms, including PC, Mac, iOS, Android, and consoles. This makes it easy for developers to create games that can be played on a range of devices and platforms, increasing the potential reach and audience of the game. In addition to its game development capabilities, Unreal Engine also has a range of other applications. The engine can be used to create virtual reality and augmented reality experiences, architectural visualizations, and even films and animations. This makes it a versatile tool that can be used for a range of creative purposes. One potential drawback of Unreal Engine is its steep learning curve. The engine has a range of advanced features and capabilities, which can be overwhelming for new users. Additionally, the engine requires a significant amount of system resources, including a powerful graphics card and CPU, which can be a barrier for some users. In terms of pricing, Unreal Engine is free to use, with Epic Games taking a percentage of revenue generated from any games or content created using the engine. This can be a significant cost savings for developers, particularly those who are just starting out. In conclusion, Unreal Engine is a powerful and versatile game engine that has become a top choice for game developers and content creators around the world. Its advanced capabilities, comprehensive toolset, and user-friendly interface make it easy to create stunning and immersive games and content. While its learning curve and system requirements may be a concern for some users, its support for multiple platforms and its free-to-use pricing model make it an excellent choice for developers of